Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Nick. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to download and play Cookie Run Ovensmash right on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. First of all, you need to install an Android emulator, for example LD Player or BlueStacks. Let me show you how to do it. So right on your screen you can see how the typical emulator looks like. So this is a virtual phone right on your PC or laptop. And to download it, you have to open up a browser and then type in the search box the name of the necessary Android emulator, in my case LZ Player, but you can download another one. Then go to their official website where you can download it right on your PC. So let's click on the download button, then save it, and of course launch the installer after the installation. Now you need to install it completely on your PC, and after that, right on your desktop, you will see this icon. So just double click on it, and then this window will appear right on your PC. So how to use this Android emulator? It's very simple. Open up apps folder. After that, click on Play Store. And of course, here you have to log into your account and then select, find here the necessary game. In our case, Cookie Run. Let's type it here, Cookie Run. Okay, here it is. And finally, you can install it. Oh, it's Kingdom. So in our case, Ovensmash. As you can see, this game is already installed on my Android emulator. So I can just click on the play button. Let's do it. So let's sign in with guest. Play as guest. Okay, finally everything is ready and now we can start playing this game. Hope this tutorial was helpful. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.